Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video we are going to see a very yummy dessert recipe which is Firni, which I feel is a must try recipe during this Holi with your family and friends. So friends, let's get started with the making of this easy and delicious dessert recipe. To make Firni, I have taken here 1/3 cup of broken basmati rice. I have taken broken rice because anyways you need to grind this to a coarse powder. And now I am going to wash the rice and soak them for half an hour. So the rice has been soaking in the water for half an hour and now I am going to drain off the water completely. Next, take a mixer grinder and transfer the rice into it. And we need to grind this into a coarse powder. So our coarse rice powder is ready. I will show you so that you can get an idea of it. You can see this very minute granules of rice. This is how we need to grind the rice for this recipe. To make creamy Firni, you will need 1 liter of full fat milk. I suggest you use full fat milk only for this recipe. Then here is 1 cup of full fat milk, which you will need to mix with the coarse rice powder. Then this is 2 tablespoons of Malai, which you get from full fat milk. Now add the 1 cup of full fat milk into the coarse rice powder and mix this really well so that you get a smooth consistency. And now we shall start with the cooking process. For that, heat a broad and heavy bottom pan or kadhai, preferably non-stick ones. Now add the 1 liter of full fat milk into it and we'll let the milk come to a boil. Next, I'm going to add few saffron strands so that we get a nice kesari flavor and color in our Firni. Stir this once well. And once the milk comes to a boil, we'll add the rice mixture into the milk. And now onwards, we need to keep on stirring this in between so that no lumps are formed. Keep the flame on medium and we need to keep on stirring this in between until the rice is cooked fully and the milk thickens. This will take about 15 to 20 minutes from now. By now the rice is cooked and the milk has also thickened slightly. At this stage we will add the Malai. Adding here 2 tablespoons of Malai. Mix this well. This will make our Firni very creamy. And now time to add some sweetness to our Firni. So adding here 1/3 cup of sugar. You can adjust the sugar according to your taste level. Also, I am going to add condensed milk which has sweetness in it. So here goes 1/4 cup of condensed milk. Mix this well. So friends, you can see how thick and creamy our Firni has become by now. And now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. This will give a very nice flavor to our Firni. Give this a good mix. And our Firni is almost done. And before turning off the flame, I will add some chopped dry fruits like almonds, cashews and pistachios. Give this a final mix. and our firni is ready now. But I will allow this to cool down completely and then serve it. And friends, here goes our yummy and creamy firni in the serving bowl. I will garnish with some more chopped dry fruits on top. Now you can enjoy this when it is in room temperature, or you can refrigerate it for an hour and enjoy it chilled. But in both ways it tastes yum. So friends, I hope you will try this delicious dessert recipe during this Holi or any other occasions to come. Also do share your feedbacks, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.